Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about healthy smoothie recipes that can help you lose weight. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get some nutrition into your body, smoothies are a great option. Plus, they're delicious and can be customized to your taste preferences. The first smoothie recipe I want to share with you is a high-protein smoothie. Protein is important for building and repairing muscle, and it also helps you feel fuller for longer. To make this smoothie, you'll need 1 scoop of protein powder, whey, pea, or hemp. 2. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 3. Half cup of frozen berries. 4. 1 tablespoon of almond butter. 5. 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend everything together until smooth, and you've got a tasty and filling smoothie that's perfect for breakfast or post-workout. Next up, we have a green smoothie. This one is packed with vitamins and minerals from leafy greens and fruits. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of spinach. 2. 1 banana. 3. Half cup of frozen mango. 4. Half cup of frozen pineapple. 5. Half cup of coconut water. Blend everything together until smooth, and you've got a refreshing and energizing smoothie that's perfect for a midday snack. Last but not least, we have a chocolate smoothie. Yes, you can still have chocolate and lose weight. Here's how to make it. 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder. 2. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 3. Half cup of frozen cherries. 4. 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. 5. 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend everything together until smooth, and you've got a rich and indulgent smoothie that's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. So those are my top 3 healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.